Levi's and Nike join forces to fuse denim craftsmanship with cutting-edge sneaker innovation. The result is a stylish and performance-driven version of the Air Max 95, featuring Levi's signature design cues and Nike's iconic silhouette. Dressed in a sleek black and anthracite colorway, the shoe balances everyday wearability with standout appeal. Denim-inspired textures and subtle Levi's branding add depth and character, while Nike's Air Max cushioning system ensures superior comfort and support. This collaboration highlights the strengths of both brands, Levi's attention to material and detail, and Nike's legacy of technical excellence. More than just a sneaker, it represents a creative intersection of fashion and function, honoring heritage while offering something fresh for sneaker enthusiasts and style-conscious consumers alike.